How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech channel. In this video we're going to be doing something different as always. This video is going to be me just discussing the parts that are required to build this $500 game streaming machine. I don't have a code name for this yet, and if you're here to watch the actual build, I'm sorry, but it's not going to be happening in this video. It will be in my next video or the video after. I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial this time to show you guys, because I love doing tutorials, to show you guys how to build your own $500 game stream PC. This will also be a good tutorial of how to build a PC in general, not just the one that I'm showcasing today. So right now we are on faulkstech.com, and I'm going to show you the post that I have for this build and the parts that I have chosen. So down here or on my blog section, build a $500 gaming PC that supports game streaming for the Shield TV. We're going to be choosing that. Before we show the parts off, there were some requirements for this build. Requirement number one was Wi-Fi. We wanted to have the ability to use Wi-Fi if needed, and I had to include that in the pricing of this build. Number two was a graphics card that supported game streaming. I also had to budget that out, as well as we wanted a terabyte drive. Also, we wanted the ability to upgrade, and you'll see what I mean in a moment. So without further ado, let's show you the parts that I have picked out here. And guys, if you want to follow along, feel free to come to my blog, click these links, and buy them for yourselves. Only $500, that'll get you a game streaming machine. You can stream any game you would like from your PC to your Shield. Without further ado, let me show you the parts. Alrighty, so I got the parts pulled up in my tabs here. One thing that I did notice is I left off the power supply from the list. I will have that listed in here before you guys see the video. So the first item on my list is the power supply. For the parts that I chose for this build, they aren't very power hungry, so a 450 watt power supply will suffice for this build. If you're not following what I'm building and you decide to build your own, I would go with a 550 or 750 depending on the parts. Right now I'm running an i5 8600K with a GTX 1070 Ti, and I'm only using a 500, I think it's a 500 watt power supply. And I haven't had any issues with that whatsoever. So we have the EVGA 450 power supply. This guy is $45. Shipping is $6. I chose to pick that. At the time, this wasn't sold out, but I went ahead and got a 8GB Ripjaw G-Skill. I bought a Fantex Eclipse case, P300. This isn't the Silent Edition, but this is this is a really good case, and it's identical to mine besides it not being the Silent Edition. And here is the Wi-Fi dongle, 600 megabytes per second, and this is a pretty good dongle. The reviews are pretty nice. This is currently on sale, so I put it up on sale as well. It looks like it's about to run out. It'll run out by the time you see this video, but I got it for around $15. Next up, we have the i3 8100. I went with this because this is a pretty good CPU. I went with this build instead of a Ryzen build due to the cost, as well as the i3 being better than Ryzen in certain aspects. And for what we need this PC to do, the i3 8100 will far exceed what Ryzen could do for this particular PC build and what we need it for, which is game stream from the computer to the Shield. And here's our motherboard we chose. We chose the Gigabyte Z30 HD3. It's a really good board for the price. You can't really beat that. This was the board that I was going to go with before I found the board that I had on sale. And yeah, you can do anything you like with this board. There's really no limitation. Moving on is the one that I wanted to talk a little bit more about. So I chose the GTX 650 Ti. And the reason why I chose this card is because we don't need this to be 4K or in higher end games. For most games, we'll be able to get 1080p, such as Fortnite and other games in that realm. As far as playing Battlefield, it's not going to happen. We'll be playing Forza with this card. And another reason why I went with this card instead of something more expensive or just a 650 was the 650 Ti would give us exactly what we need, and it will still allow game streaming. Game streaming requires you to have a 650 base, not the Ti, a 650 or higher. So the 650 Ti will be a perfect fit for us with this particular build. $500 build, no more. And this is a great card for this build. I couldn't go any higher due to the price limitations and the requirements of this PC. but I think this is going to be a pretty solid build. So yeah, with this card and this build, we'll be able to do gaming and game streaming to the Shield with no problem. So the next item was the 1TB hard drive here. It's 37% off, got it for $44. For what we're going to need this to do and the purpose of this drive will work fine. Later on we can upgrade the PC, but I was given a hard set at 500, so this is going to be perfect for this particular build. And guys, the price that I have on the screen is what this cost me, $492.92. If you follow my parts listing that I provided, you will be able to build your very own Nvidia Shield game streaming machine. If you choose to do this, this will also give you the ability to upgrade as time goes on. Whenever the 650 Ti becomes completely useless, you can upgrade no problem. You won't have to upgrade any hardware besides the card itself. PC that I'm showcasing right now, that I'm going to be building in a future video, is the way to go if you're looking to build a PC on a budget. So don't go buy a PC from Best Buy or somewhere where you'll just waste money that won't allow you to game stream, especially if you have Nvidia Shield TV. If you have Nvidia Shield TV, go with what I'm doing, build your own PC. If you can't build your own PC, contact me. I'll build one for you. If you'd like me to build your PC, just let me know. Just shoot me a message on my business email, which is below, or you can go on my website, faulkstech.com. It's over there now. You can go to support, and here you can see my pricing. Request a build. Enter this information right here after you choose that request build. In this text field, if you don't know what parts you want, just specify a price range of a price that you will feel comfortable paying, and I will get the parts list for you. You and I can talk back and forth via email, text, or phone call until I find the right build for you and it fits in your budget. So guys, that is enough talking from me. I just wanted to show you this and what you can do with $500, an easy way to build a game streaming machine. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. If you like this video, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. If you do dislike it, if you don't mind, leave a comment below on what I could do to improve it. But guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.